pick up this carbon black metallic 2010 Buick LaCrosse, available today. Featuring automatic transmission, it has 24,324 miles. This could be the one you've been searching for. Contact us and get behind the wheel today.